Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this video, I am using the Positively Happy bundle from Jessica Dunn at Pixel Scrapper, and it is a really pretty one, so I would definitely recommend checking this one out. I'm using it here, and I will probably also have some fun hybrid spreads where I use it as well. I really love the papers in this and the colors. I am always a sucker for some good black and white combos, especially if you have a very light pink included as well. So this is really up my alley. And I have shrunk down the two sides of my spread here so I can see the balance of the papers. I think I really like that floral paper, so I wanted to include it twice, but I wanted to make sure, it was spread out appropriately. So that's why I had my two pages up next to each other so I could see them. And Jessica usually includes in her bundles some very nice clusters, which are great for when you want it to look really cool but are feeling lazy. So I'm just going to stick in as many of these as I can here to make my scrapping go so much quicker. And once I have these clusters in place, then I will take a look through the elements and finish up with those. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.